How about Tesla? They delivered 25,000 cars in the first 3 months of this year. I was surprised at that. I'm surprised at the stock price. I didn't think that an electric car company could do so well when gas is so cheap. Keith?
Well, you just said the magic word, Stuart. You called it an electric car company. It's not an electric car company. Tesla wants to redefine the grid. They want everything from the electric power production, which is why they're getting into solar, to batteries, which is why they're getting into storage, to cars, which is what they're going to do with it. It's going to redefine the electric grid as we know it, and there's a lot of spin-off investments. I don't think the company's hit its stride yet.
Okay, I've just got the General Motors sales numbers coming in. I believe in the month of March, up 2% compared to last year. Not a stellar performance by any means, and the stock is down 2.5%.
The problem for the automakers is they had a very good 2016, especially the early part of 2016. So whenever you do year-to-year comparisons, it's going to be tough.
So they have General Motors always in the mid-$30 per share
Yep.
range. 34, 35, almost always right there. Really breaks
stuck
out.
there since before it collapsed.
I think so. Dow Jones Industrial Average, now we're 5 minutes into the trading session on a Monday morning, and we're up 25 points, 20,688. Ford, we saw their sales numbers before the opening bell this morning, down 7%.
Yeah, and now it looks like Tesla has passed Ford in investor value. So
What's that
that's
mean?
astonishing.
Investor value, what's that mean?
Basically it's overtaken Ford in stock market value.
Wait a minute, the market capitalization of Tesla is greater than the Ford Motor Company?
Yes, Tesla's now at $46.67 billion. Ford is at $46.14 billion.
I find that astonishing. What's going on here?
Well, that's just another example of you have to take stock, no pun intended, and really take a step back and look at really what's happening here. And I think if we continue to have these oil discoveries, we're going to struggle to have this nice idea of electric car really make inroads. So just be careful about getting too excited about a niche market rather than something that's got some legs.
Tesla is the second largest U.S. automaker now, just behind GM in stock market value.
The stock market value is second to General Motors.
It's only been profitable 2 quarters.
Yeah.
Okay, the cash burn is unbelievable.
Look at the number of cars they make.
Yes.
I mean, that's got to be one.
But according to Keith, it's not a car company, it's a battery company.
Exactly.
Okay. So you think that's... Wait a minute. Do you think that's legit, Keith? That Tesla should now be worth more in stock market terms than the Ford Motor Company?
Well, I'm not the one that's going to say it's legitimate or not, but the market has decided it's legitimate, and that's the issue. They've decided there's so much promise and there's so much redefinition there that they've made it worth what it is, and that's ultimately what any stock is worth, is what the buyer and sellers agree on.
I'm almost to the point of saying the market's wrong, but I should never, ever say that.
It might be.
Oh, no,
The
don't do that,
market's
Stuart. Don't do that. Yeah, you could say that, Liz, and you said it. Thank you very much. Under Armour.